Think you're an NRI, but what if the Indian Tax Department does not? According to the Indian Tax Department, if you have lived in India for less than 182 days in the current financial year and less than 60 days this year or less than 365 days in the last 4 financial years, then congratulations, you are considered as an NRI under Indian income tax laws. But wait, what if you're leaving India for a job abroad? In that case, you are an NRI if you have stayed less than 182 days in India during the financial year. But wait, here comes the twist. Please pay close attention to as we tell you about the Deemed Residency under Finance Act 2020. Under this act, a person is deemed to be an Indian tax resident if you earn rupees 15 lakh plus from an Indian business or profession set up in India, you are not a tax resident of any other country due to your residence or domicile, and you have stayed in India for 120 days or more in the current financial year. If you meet all these 3 requirements, you are a deemed resident and not an NRI for the tax purpose. Subscribe Safe Taxes for more NRI tax tips.